Welcome to this video titled Ink for All Review, Usage Experience. If you're exploring tools to optimize your writing for clarity, engagement, and search engines, this review will provide the insights you need. Links to the product are included in the description for your convenience. Let's dive straight into what makes Ink for All a standout solution. Ink for All is a comprehensive AI-powered writing tool tailored for content creators, marketers, and business professionals aiming to produce high-quality, optimized content. Its key feature, the Content Performance Optimization, combines AI writing with SEO guidance to ensure your content ranks well on search engines while remaining engaging for readers. By using the proprietary Ink SEO score, users can instantly assess how well their text aligns with optimization standards and receive actionable recommendations to improve it. The platform also boasts distraction-free writing tools, creating an environment where users can focus purely on content creation. With features like headline scoring, tone adjustments, and grammar refinement, Ink for All is built to streamline the entire writing process. Whether you need help crafting articles, blog posts, product descriptions, or social media content, its AI adapts to your needs seamlessly. For SEO professionals and marketers, the keyword optimization and clustering features are invaluable. The tool suggests keywords relevant to your topic, organizes them into clusters, and guides you on using them naturally within your text. These features significantly enhance visibility without compromising readability. Additionally, the accessibility insights ensure that your content is inclusive and reader-friendly. Ink for All offers seamless integration with platforms like WordPress, Google Docs, and other CMS tools, simplifying workflows for teams and individual users. Its interface is intuitive, even for those new to AI writing tools, and the real-time suggestions make it easy to polish your drafts quickly. While Ink for All is a powerhouse for optimization, it's worth noting that its full suite of features is locked behind premium plans. However, the free version provides plenty of value, making it a great starting point. In summary, Ink for All is an excellent tool for anyone looking to elevate their content creation and optimization. Be sure to check out the links in the description to explore its capabilities further. Thank you for watching, and I hope this review has been helpful.